A little pre-fishing today, trying to change my focus to speckled trout. I'm gonna have 2 trout for the stringer for this weekend's Slots and Spots Crystal Beach Invitational Tournament. I've been chasing redfish for the last couple months. Decided to go after trout. Downsized my lure, tried to use some winter tactics to catch these trout. Tried to fish some of the deep canals and some of the deeper bayous. Really just ended up with a lot of small trout. And honestly, we really haven't had a sustained period of cold weather here, so water temps are still 63, 64, so still relatively warm out there. I think it's 72 degrees outside right now. So went back to using some spring tactics, went outside the bayous, fished the grass line, downsized my lure to a down south lure burner shad in the Easy Money color, and that did the trick. They didn't want it slow. I was using basically a twitch or a pop pause and a moderate retrieve, and that's what the trout wanted. Overall, it was a pretty good trip. Ended up with 2 15.5-inch trout that went over the slot. The rest were between 14 and 15 inches. Caught a lot of underslot redfish too, which were still fun to catch. And even caught a flounder on a Pavlu corky. That was kind of interesting. But hope you enjoy the episode, and also check out my Patreon page if you get a chance. That's where I discuss exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and where I'm going to catch these fish. Hope you enjoy the episode, and we'll see you next time. Okay, here we go. That might be a decent trout. I think I side hooked you. Oh, there you go. That's a good trout. That is a good trout. There we go, first slot trout. It's kind of been a minute, but this one barely came in at 15. We're gonna let her go. Looking for some bigger ones, but they're kind of biting like in a spring pattern. A lot of people are trying to fish it low and slow, but no, she wanted it fast. All right, let's see if we can get a bigger one. Oh man, that's a redfish. Oh yeah, hit it as soon as that bait hit the water. Or a big trout, we'll see. Ah, nice multi-spotter red. I think she's gonna come in just under though. Oh, she might fly. Not the tournament red we've been looking for, but nice little 18, 19-inch redfish, probably 18-ish. But yeah, she hit it hard. As soon as the bait hit the water, she hit it, but we kind of saw her coming. She kind of gave away her position, but fun, hard fighting fish. Nice multi-spotter, but there we go. I got you that time. Yeah. Oh, backflips over this. Another redfish, or we got a trout? Another small red. I missed you last time, but not this time. Getting on any big fish today, but got another beautiful little redfish. Look at that blue tail right there. But yeah, she fought pretty nice, but we're gonna send her back to fight another day. Been catching these big bull reds. It's weird to catch these smaller redfish. I was kind of hoping it was a speckled trout, but hey, it's all good. Okay. What do we got here? Trout? Here we go. Not the biggest trout, but we'll take it. Not bad. You are just short. Here, just short of 15. Not really posting a lot of video of big fish, but hopefully we'll find some here in a little bit. All right, throw her back. Gooly. Well, it looks like we're just gonna keep on catching these all day, but hopefully we can find some bigger ones. We'll be around the corner here somewhere. All right, let's let her go. Ooh, there we go. Hey, lots of small fish, but she hit it real hard and she pulled pretty good, but hey, it's still all fun. Can't win them all. It looks like today's not gonna be the day for big fish, but there you go, small on camera.